Commissioning your Phazr Networking Bundle. Using a smartphone, download the Measures mobile app from Google Play or the App Store. Begin by logging in with the username and password provided by your company admin. Use the icon on the top left to access the menu. Then hit Install. When prompted, select Install once more. Hit Next. Since you are commissioning a Phazr system, select the Phazr icon and hit Next. Next, press Open Wi-Fi Settings and select the Phazr Config Network. If you do not see the Phazr Config Network, your networking bundle may not be wired correctly. Once selected, the password should read Phazr123. If so, hit Next. Locate the Phazr Hub serial number on the bottom of the Phazr Hub or on the Phazr Hub box. Using your phone's camera, scan the Phazr Hub serial number. Hit Next. Under Inverter Setup, select either microinverters or solar edge optimizers, depending on your installation. Hit Next. You will now see a list of each Phazr installed at the site, along with a corresponding signal strength. Do not proceed until the signal strength for all units is above 40%. If this is not the case, you may need to relocate the Wi-Fi mesh points to improve signal strength. Once all signal strengths are above 40%, hit Next. Finish the process by entering the homeowner's information as prompted. Once commissioning is complete, contact the JLM customer support team by calling the number on the screen or by clicking the call button within the Measures mobile app before leaving the home.